Welcome back. Here are the comments of our dear viewers. From Diane of Quezon City, you could see the dominating power that the president has. You can really see that women today are very, very different from the woman decades ago. Carlo of Marikina City via Twitter. It's like a kiss of death on De Castro given by the president. And from Sam of Makati via Facebook. Even if Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo is small in size, she has a very dominating power. And that's very impressive. Whew. Here with us today is a woman who stood up on her own and established her own company. She spent 2 years in a high-end cosmetic skincare center industry, facial care center, and more than 4 years in global fitness industry as a club manager in Fitness First Philippines, with experience in sales, training, and management, corporate marketing, and events. She founded G23 Active Buzz Events and Marketing Management together with her corporate partner Yunel V. Alega in October of 2008. She wanted to have a buzzing, conscious, competent team that will excel in the field of events, management, and marketing. A woman of courage, Marjorie. Kumusta kayo?
I'm okay, thank you.
You're good? Okay. How's the business doing?
Well, right now, since medyo maganda yung ano natin, in terms of events, we have lots of activities going on, and since the demand, there's really an increase in demand. Both even car show or social events, marami.
So marami. How's your life? I mean, personally?
From the past 48 hours, it's really stressful because our event will be next week. But after the event, usually ano naman we have a out of town para makapag-relax.
After the event?
After the event, but
before the event?
From past 48 hours, no, hindi pwede muna.
Hindi man nagre-reflect sa mukha ninyo yung stress ngayon? You have any secret or you learned it from Fitness First?
Maybe dun sa unang pinagtrabahuhan ko, I guess.
Oh yeah, growing up, what were you doing? High school?
High school, kasi I grew up in a very conservative family. My father is really strict.
Conservative?
Conservative.
You're not a Chinese?
Before. No, he's not Chinese. But since yung father ko grew up from the province, so ang gusto niya is more of very conservative type of woman. So we cannot go out on party. So all study lang.
Oh my goodness, that must be very, very sad.
That's why, ngayon lang ako came out in the open para lang, I need to make up for the lost times, diba?
Right.
So, ganun lang.
So, academically excellent?
Siguro, because of too much studying, I graduated valedictorian in high school. And then, after that, since my father really wanted me to be an opera singer, he asked me, or forced me to enroll in UP
I like the
before.
term.
Kasi I cannot say ask me because it's not really my will. So, he forced me to enroll in UP.
But you do have the talent.
I played the piano since 4 years old. So when I enrolled in UP, my major is piano, my minor is voice. But, hindi naman.
How does it feel like being in a place that you really don't want to be?
It's stressful every day. Every day you go to the school, you have to play the piano and then sing mga Italian music.
Maybe can you show us samples?
I already buried everything
Okay, including the voice? So yun na lang the voice.
It's opera music, so it's not really my field.
What were you doing to distress?
During my
During the
college,
time kasi stressed ka.
I sneak out. I usually go out of yung building mismo yung sa UP because my mom is waiting outside.
Right.
So she waits for me from.
My goodness, it's like a kindergarten thing.
See? So she waits for me from
Is she watching?
I told her that she should watch me.
Okay,
So,
sorry ma'am. We're sorry, but we're talking about you.
But she's with me in school. Nung college ako, she waits for me until I go
Okay,
home.
would you agree na kung hindi niya ginawa yun, you can never be the person that you are now?
Both of them? Yeah, maybe kasi after a year, I really need to to speak up for myself. I cannot really grow up and sing opera music. So
How do you translate? Paano ka napasok dun sa ganitong klase ng corporate job?